In this module, we will discuss the proper method for preparing and shipping electronic parts.
First, inspection and cleaning. Confirm part descriptions, any available ID numbers, as well as interchange information on work order matches the part and any special instructions have been completed. Check for broken or missing components, which could include broken mounting tabs, missing broken or worn dials or buttons, cut wires or broken plugs. Remove any plug-in wires at their connection point. Wipe and dust the component, avoiding heavy liquid usage. Polish any interior facing lenses.
Tagging and identification. Stock number or PO number should be engraved or written on hidden inward facing portion of part only. Shipping. All electronic components must be boxed. At least 1 to 2 inches worth of packing space should surround the unit inside the box.
To quickly assess your box size, use your index, middle, and ring finger as a minimum width check between the outer box wall and the part.
All right, Emily, so this speedometer is ready to be shipped. Is there anything else we should be thinking about?
I would say just make sure you have enough packing. Once again, use your 3-finger test to go around the sides, making sure that there's enough in there that the tabs, the lens is not going to get broke. And like the other parts, make sure we're writing the stock numbers, POs on the back side, not the front of the speedometer. And if you can shake it and it moves, add some more packing and you should be safe to go with it.
Thank you. Thanks for watching and stay safe.